Welcome! In this video, we're diving into the substitution method, specifically focusing on how to solve systems of equations when you need to rearrange one of the equations first. So, what is the substitution method? It is a technique for solving a system of two equations. It involves solving one equation for a single variable and then substituting that new expression into the other equation. This process eliminates one of the variables, making it possible to solve for the other. You might need to rearrange an equation when you look at your system, and neither equation is conveniently set up in the form of y equals or x equals something. For a system like 2x plus y equals 7 and 3x minus 2y equals 0, our first step must be to isolate a variable. Let's begin with step 1. Choose and rearrange. Looking at the equation 2x plus y equals 7, it seems easiest to solve for y because it has a coefficient of 1. By subtracting 2x from both sides, we get a new rearranged equation, y equals 7 minus 2x. Now for step 2, substitute. We take our new expression for y, which is 7 minus 2x, and plug it into the other equation, 3x minus 2y equals 0. This gives us 3x minus 2 times the quantity 7 minus 2x equals 0. The key thing here is that our new equation only contains the variable x. In step 3, we solve this new equation for x first, distribute the negative 2 across the parentheses to get 3x minus 14 plus 4x equals 0. Combine the x terms to get 7x minus 14 equals 0. Add 14 to both sides, which gives us 7x equals 14. Finally, divide by 7 to find that x equals 2. We are getting close to the end. For step 4, we find the value of y we know that x equals 2. We can substitute this value back into our rearranged equation, y equals 7 minus 2x. This becomes y equals 7 minus 2 times 2. That simplifies to y equals 7 minus 4, giving us our result, y equals 3. So, we have found that x equals 2 and y equals 3. We write our solution as an ordered pair, parentheses 2, 3. This point represents the exact location where the graphs of the two original lines intersect. It is the single coordinate that satisfies both equations simultaneously. A great habit to get into is checking your answer. Plug x equals 2 and y equals 3 back into both of the original equations. For 2x plus y equals 7, we get 2 times 2 plus 3, which is 4 plus 3, equaling 7. That's correct. For 3x minus 2y equals 0, we get 3 times 2 minus 2 times 3, which is 6 minus 6, equaling 0. That is also correct. Our solution is verified. Let's quickly recap the entire process. First, rearrange one equation to solve for either x or y. Second, substitute this new expression into the second equation. Third, solve the resulting equation for its variable. Fourth, substitute that value back into your rearranged equation to find the second variable. And finally, check your answer. Now it is your turn to try. Here is a new system of equations. X minus 3y equals 4 and 2x plus 2y equals 4. Take a moment to pause the video here, work through the steps we just covered, and see if you can find the solution. Alright, let's see how you did. First, you rearrange x minus 3y equals 4 to get x equals 4 plus 3y. Next, you substitute this into the second equation. You solve that to find that y equals negative 0.5. Finally, you plug that y value back in to find that x equals 2.5. The final solution is the point 2.5, negative 0.5. Great job!
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.